Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the fourth unit, quality cost. Quality cost. The value of quality must be based on the ability to contribute to profit. The efficiency of your business is measured in terms of money, how much we are earning. This cost is no different than the other cost. What is that? It is a sum of money that organizations spend in ensuring that customer requirement are met on the continuous basis and also cost wasted through failing to achieve the desired level of quality. This is a basic thing of a quality cost. This quality cost is going to be classified how it is classified. The cost qualifies the quality problem in the best language that the management can understand, that is money. Repeat. Quality cost identify the opportunity for quality improvement and establishing funding priority by means of Pareto analysis. Okay, that identifies hidden buried cost in all functional areas. Fegman actually explained identify our four types of cost inequality. Actually, Fegman only told that types of quality. In that four types of quality, what is that? When we are entering into the business itself, the, the purpose of business which we are doing for earn profit. And ultimately, we are earning goodwill about from the customer. So once it is implemented, what steps we have to take? So the amount which we are spending for producing one particular product, how it is going to be reached to the customer. So the worth of the product is going to be a cost of the quality. Clear? Next, what are the cost? We will one by one we'll see. First one, prevention cost, second one appraisal cost, third one internal failure cost, and the fourth one external failure cost. Prevention cost, the word itself it says prevention. Before that we have to take a effort. Preventing the failures. Okay, this cost related to effort to prevent failures. There are costs incurred on preventing a quality problem from arising. The categories of the cost include, what are the categories in the preventing cost? Market, customer and user. Okay. Second one, product, service, design development. Next, purchasing materials. Okay. Next, operation. So operation in the sense process, what we are doing. And the last one is quality administration. So these are all the prevention costs. Marketing in the sense what are the steps we are taking for satisfying reaching our product for amount we are spending, isn't it? So product manufacturing or service what we are doing or designing the project, everything we are spending. Purchasing a raw material, that is also we are spending. Operational, doing a process work we are spending. Quality administration. So who is the head, what they are doing, for them we are spending. So this is one. Then one is appraisal cost. These costs are related to testing, executing, examination, the assess whether specified quality is maintained. Very, very simple. We are monitoring the process. Okay, that is called appraisal cost. Each and every step, sir, when a product is manufacturing, top from the bottom it has to be maintained and monitor. Okay, that means control also. So this is related to testing, whether it is good or not. Execution, its process means how it is working. In the step by step examination, report preparation. For that we are spending money. That one. Okay, these are the costs incurred in assessing that product and services conform to the requirement. What are the various categories of appraisal cost? We'll see. Purchasing appraisal cost, operational appraisal cost, external appraisal cost, review of test and inspection data, miscellaneous quality evaluation. So these are all the basic categories of appraisal cost. Okay, next one, internal failure cost. The cost which arise when a product or service fail to meet the requirement before delivery. Sometimes we are manufacturing unit will manufacture the product. Unfortunately, there itself some damages will occur. there itself the quality will be differed. Error, most of the testing period we facing error, defects we are facing. That is what internal. Before delivery itself, it will be will going to face. Okay, it will not reach the market. It is not going to out of the company, even though it will face a problem. Okay, this cost occur within the organization, occurs before it's transferred to the owner or customer. Fine. This occurs because of scrap, rework, or non-confirmation. This is the major thing because of internal failure cost. What is the various categories of internal product or service design failure? Okay, then purchasing failure cost, then operational failure cost. These are all the major categories of internal failure cost. Right. What do you mean by external failure cost? These arise from the rejection of the product by the customer due to the poor quality. This is very dangerous because external failure cost, once it reaches the customer is not feeling that product doesn't meet their requirement. If you are feeling like that, automatically he will be return the product. So it will face a problem. These occurs after the transfer of the ownership. Those losses have a future implication also as a customer goodwill loss and the future loss of sales. It's very important cost actually, external failure cost. The manufacturing unit have more concentration because once the person return the product to the company, the word of mouth which he is telling or he is negative marketing he will do, automatically current customer also will lose, and future customer also will be a question mark for us. So hence it is very important for companies to recognize and the relative importance of this cost. It is have some various form. One is complaint investigation of customer service you have to do, and return to goods, retrofit or recall cost what we are going to do, and warranty claims, liability cost, penalties, customer or user goodwill, lost sales. So these are all the major cost of external cost. Just to see this, prevention cost, internal failure cost, appraisal cost, external failure cost, how it is going to be. System development quality, engineering quality, training quality, circle, statistical process control, supervision of prevention activities, quality data gathering, analyzing, reporting, quality improvement, project technical report provided to suppliers, audit of the effective cost, is everything comes under in the prevention. Okay, internal failure, net cost scrap, net cost of spoilage. Okay, rework of the labor. Okay, the labor does not understand what is the process, and proper training is not given to the labor. These are all the things which occur by the internal failure cost. What is the appraisal cost? Just example, test and inspection. I told the process going to be happen, even the middle of the process or step by step process. The monitoring person he will do and he will correct. He want the final product has to be good product for each and every steps we are following. No, that is what appraisal cost. External failure cost is occurring from the service and handling of compliance. Okay, what we are doing, collecting the feedback, whether we are replaying or not, warranty repairs and replacement repairs. So all these things taken part in the external failure cost. Thank you. We'll see the next topic.